How to log in into your Prime account. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can log in into your Prime account. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first thing you'll need to do is open up a web browser. After you open up a web browser, simply search for Prime Video Login. After you search for it, you will see the Amazon.com sign up for Prime Video link pop up. Simply head over there, or you can directly head over to primevideo.com too. After you're here, you'll see different options. Now, if you're not a member already, tap on Start Your Free Trial. If you already are a member, tap on the Sign In option. After you tap on that, you will have to now log in using your Amazon's account. So tap on this, type in your email number, and then tap on Continue. And after you do that, type in your password and tap on sign in, and you'll get logged into your Prime Video account. And it's that simple guys, and that is all for the video. Thanks for watching, stay tuned for more, and bye bye.